Hello everyone, today I have an unboxing video for you and that is the No.7 Beauty Vault. I wouldn't normally pick this up, however, my boyfriend signed me up for pre-release. Yeah, I just wanted to show you what's in it. I thought there's quite a lot of products in here for what it's supposed, like the price that you pay, but I'll get into that later. And yeah, I just wanted to show you all the things inside. I have had a little sneak peek of this, but I'll go through most of the things. Well, all the things with you, the ones that I have and haven't seen. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so firstly, this box, look how aesthetically pleasing the packaging is. Honestly, like, look at this. I'm definitely going to be keeping this to use it for something, maybe organise makeup or I don't know yet. But yeah, very aesthetic. Such a pretty box. And it's also worth, it says, there's a little sticker here, but obviously I've undone it, £130 worth of stuff, and I actually got this for, it was meant to be like £32 I think on sale, but in Boots I get the student discount as well, so I also got I got it for £28 something, so yeah, I think that's a pretty good deal for 130 quid's worth of stuff. Paying 28 quid is pretty nice. Okay, so let's pull the sleeve off of this. The will it's taken me to not like open all of these things in here. I'm just very excited. And also when you choose this online, it's kind of a lucky dip where you'll get the red or the pink, I think it's a matte liquid lip, yeah. But when you first open it, this is what it looks like. Look how like aesthetically pleasing that is, and how all of these things are packaged, and there's obviously some stuff in here as well. The first thing I'm just going to talk about is the No.7 Custom Blend Highlighting Drops. When you first open this box, you get a voucher inside, and basically you take it to any No.7, you know, like the little stands in Boots. And well, that's what I did anyway, and you can choose your shade of custom blend highlighting drops. So I got the white gold one, which was the most pale one, but there was also highlighter for like deeper skin tones. There was more like pink based tones, there was a more white one. So yeah, I asked the lady to help me choose which one would be best, and this is the one she chose. And the next thing in it is also the No.7 Radiant Revitalising Cleansing Wipes, which I know are amazing because I've had them given to me as like a little stocking filler from my mum. Thanks, mum. And yeah, I've used these and they smell good, they do good, and yeah, they're just a little clip off lid so they don't dry out. And yeah, that is what I like about these. The next thing is this Instant Results Nourishing Hydration Mask. Dry to very dry skin, so I've got dry combination skin. I think, okay, so from the bottle you just put it looks like one you know the ones you just kind of paint on your face. It looks like that. And yeah, let's have a quick Google, see how much this is online. Okay, so I've just had a quick Google of all the things that I've opened so far. These wipes on their own are £7.50, which I personally think is quite expensive for wipes, but so in here obviously you're getting £130 worth of stuff, it says. These blending like highlighting drops alone are £13.50, and then this is £16 a face mask, so already we're at like just over 30 quid with 3 items. The next item I have actually tried before, and that is the Radiant Results Micellar Cleansing Water. And basically it says cleanse your way to radiant, healthy looking skin in 1 week. And you just spray this onto some cotton wool like you would a normal cleanser. Well, I'm really stocking up on the cleansers recently. And then you just wipe over your skin as part of your like cleanser, toner, moisturiser evening routine. This all together, okay, so this is £10 it looks like, maybe? Oh, okay, it says in Boots this is £8.50. So that's alright. It seems like you get quite a lot of product. There is 200ml in here. And yeah, just general directions, no fragrances. or perfumes, and leaves radiant and healthier looking energised skin, and it is the Revitalising Micellar Cleansing Water. The next item is the No. 7 Radiant Results Clay Cleanser. I have to admit, I do use this literally every single day, and especially when I'm having breakouts, and I like to use it also on my bronze spinning brush thing, whatever you call it. But yeah, this is the purifying clay cleanser, and I just like use this by putting some water in my hands, wetting my face, and then rubbing this in like a gel soap sort of thing, popping this all over my face and it has vitamin C, E and B5 in it, and Meadow Sweet, whatever that is, but yeah, sweet is. Trivit Complex, a soft creamy clay cleanser formulated to help protect your skin's natural healthy balance. This is normally £9.50, which is like pretty decent because you get 150ml of stuff, and like this product as well, this is 200ml, and then here is 100ml of product, and honestly it takes me so long to use up face masks, literally like the Sephora ones, like the Sephora own brand, that are only about like, I don't know, maybe like 40ml or something. That I've had that for, I'm not even ashamed to say, like nearly 3 years, and it's just taken me such a long time to get through them, so I know this is going to last me a really long time, and I really hope it works well for my skin because I'd be sad to give this away, but I'm very excited to try this. The Meadow Sweet in this pure clay cleanser doesn't actually say. It's some sort of plant. The Meadow Sweet herb is a soothing herb that is used for various skin conditions and is thought to help with rashes, irritation, and has anti-inflammatory, tightening, toning and astringent properties. I don't know what astringent means, but all that sounds pretty great, so yeah, that is what is in here. I'm going to open is this. It's got a couple of things inside by the look of it. Oh yes, right. So on, like I said on the box before, the red, it was a red or pink liquid lips mattifying set on the box, but like online, but you wouldn't know which one you get. It's just kind of lucky dip. But yeah, so I got this lush pink colour, and I cannot wait to use this. I hope these feel as nice as everyone says they are. They are sustainable for sensitive skin, which is great. Let me just have a quick Google to see how see how expensive these are. Okay, they are, oh okay, so apparently they're £10 each. That's kind of the same as the NYX, like the small butt cream ones, which this is what it reminds me of. They're a bit more pricey, obviously NYX is like such a great like brand and also quite affordable. No. 7 is kind of a bit more of a pricey brand, but I never know if it's a high street or a high-end brand because it's just kind of there in the middle. It doesn't really, like, it's a bit more pricey than some things I would pay for, and although their skin things are great and I completely agree with the price point, I just don't know where like I would place it, if that makes any sense. But this doesn't actually have a shade or anything, it's just, oh yes it does, it's called Inspire, this shade, so hopefully I love this as much. It looks like a nice colour to be honest, and I was looking for a more nude pinky tone, so yeah, I was really hoping I got this one. Oh, this is nice, in this little like makeup bag. These are just all like bag tissue paper, you know what I mean. These are all just makeup products in here, by the way. And this one is the Stay Perfect No. 7 Amazing Eyes pencil. I believe it's just a black eyeliner. Yeah, that's, so this is what it looks like. Oh, and I have actually just needed a black liner for so long. Okay, so it's, yeah, it's a nice coal black colour with a nice little lid. We love a lid because it just stops them getting dried out and it feels very creamy, like the texture is so nice. Let me Google how much this is. Okay, so normally these are £7.50, which is great. So we're really racking up about how much these products cost, because there's also a mascara in here which I think is about £10, maybe more, and then there's 2 youthful eye serums and an early defense serum, which we will go through in a sec. But yeah, this is getting quite like expensive. The cost of the box that it's claimed to be, it's getting there, although I'm not sure it's still going to be that exact amount. The next product is the No. 7 Dramatic Lift, the Ultimate Wide Awake Look. This is 7 mils. I have had the, what is it? the No.7 lash lengthening one in my previous empties that I featured, which I actually found dried out really fast, and I did use it within the 6 months. This has also got the little, you won't be able to see it, but the little 6 month, you know, the logo on the back. And I'm hoping that this one, once I'm not going to open it right now because I've got a few mascaras that I'm trying to use up, but yeah, I'm hoping once I use it, I'll try and use this one quickly because obviously I know how quickly the last No.7 mascara I had dried up. So yeah, but hopefully this will prove something, because I do kind of struggle with the lift in my lashes. They just don't go anywhere, and I'm considering like lash extensions at the moment because there was a girl at uni that does it and I'm on her waiting list. So yeah, we'll see if this makes any difference. Obviously I won't be getting lash extensions anyway regardless till September, October's time when we go back to uni. So yeah, I'm actually really excited to try this, and mainly to see if £13.50 for a mascara I think is quite pricey, but if it lives up to the look then I will definitely continue to purchase this. But yeah, we will see how it goes. Fingers crossed that this one is better than the lengthening one. That is all the actual makeup products. So now I've got the Youthful Eye Serum. This targets key signs of aging for younger looking eyes in 4 weeks apparently. Okay, Youthful Eye Serum, hypoallergenic. Use morning and evening, dot around the eyes and gently blend around their contours. Can be used underneath your favourite No.7 eye cream. Okay, let's give it a smell. I don't really buy eye serums, and I haven't before. However, I am aware there are like eye rejuvenating creams and all that out there by other companies such as like L'Oreal and Garnier and all of those people. Actually, I don't even know if Garnier do them, but anyway, you get the point. And I know they're cheaper for like bigger pots, like full-on pots of like night cream and stuff. An eye serum, I don't really know. I just don't know what to make of this. I've never used an eye serum before. Around the eyes with powerful eye serum. The advanced formula with a blend of hyaluronic acid, which we like, which is good for tightening. Vitamin C and soft focus spheres instantly smooth, revitalises and brightens to give the skin around the eyes a youthful radiance. Okay, we'll give this a try. I will let you know because obviously I am struggling with the bags right now. Yeah, I'm just getting very tired. And I'm putting some shifts in at the hospital obviously, so yeah, we will give this a go and I'll use it a morning and night, and I guess I will let you know if that's something you guys will be interested in seeing. Definitely let me know. But I can't believe that £20, 15ml, that is so expensive. The final product in this box is £25, so surely that must add up. I'll add it all up in a minute to see how much it comes to, but yeah, Early Defense Glow Activating Serum, glowing healthy skin in 1 week. Maybe I should do like a video where I test out all these products and see if they live up to what they said they would. Because this one says in 1 week, this one says in 4 weeks, 1 week and 4 weeks. And then there's a lot of things on here that are like healthier looking, shine free skin. Radiant, healthy looking, energized skin. Yeah, like there's a lot of claims on here, so maybe I should do something like that. This one says over time. That's more, I think that's more of a realistic statement, because this is over time, like will reverse UV rays, air conditioning, hormonal changes, blah blah blah. So I feel like this one is the most accurate, because I don't understand how it's really possible for something like this to work in 1 week. Supercharge your skincare regime with this clinically proven serum. Let's just have a look at it and see what it smells like and everything. And this is Glow Activate, and I'm not really sure what that means. I'm guessing it makes my face look glowier. For best results, use morning and evening onto your face and neck after cleansing. Right, so this tiny little pot, again this is 30ml, so this is twice the amount of the Youthful Eye Serum, but this is £25. Let's give it a quick smell. I'm not really sure what I'm expecting here, because again, I don't really use serums and creams. I just do the basic cleanser, tone and moisturiser, and that is kind of it. I don't really like to use too many things on my skin. Okay, it smells just pretty chemically, to be honest, and it feels very silicone-y, definitely, but I'm not really sure what I'm expecting, to be honest. Suitable for sensitive skin, that is great. I don't really know what to expect from this box. Overall, it's claiming quite a lot. I don't see how it's really possible for a box like this to do all of the things it says, but I am impressed by the fact that there are so many shades that you could choose your own shade that would suit you for the highlighting drops. That is one thing that I'm like really like pleased about. Let's just add it up really quickly and see how much this all comes to. I literally can't believe that that was £25. Do people really spend this much on like skincare? Obviously, like there are companies like Clarins and brands like that that make expensive skincare, but No.7, like I said earlier, is just kind of like a middle brand. I wouldn't call it high end, I wouldn't call it low end, or high street rather. It's just more of a brand that's just kind of there in the middle. I have used No.7 products before and I still think they're great, and I'm sure these will be like great products too. I feel like it's a little bit pricey, to be honest. We're at the best part of £100 already with this box. That is crazy. Okay, I think this is starting to be actually really good value. Okay, so in total, that's £116, not the £130 that they're claiming, which I think is a little bit cheeky. However, there is still all of these products. Oh, I can't get it all in, but all of these products in this box, which I think is great value for £32, or like me, if you've got student discount, £28. Like I said, I'm not someone who would buy serums and stuff anyway. However, I am very into my skincare, and I love that they've included skincare and makeup, and they're more pricey products, which ordinarily I would not expect a company to advertise, to be honest, or to give away for free, if you know what I mean, like 30 quid, but I guess the majority of that you're paying, the majority of that is this one product alone. This is £25 and I paid £28 for this whole box. That is such good value, honestly, like, I'm impressed. No.7, you've done a good job here. Here we are, this No.7 box, aesthetically pleasing, good value for money. I can't wait to use all of these products. And yeah, I'm very excited overall about the use of these products and the colour. I'm really excited because I'm not really someone who would choose a liquid lipstick. I don't really have that many. I only really have like darker winter colours. So I think you get a very good value for money on this box. Or I would definitely recommend it for all the different things, because I probably wouldn't go to No.7 to buy these items just because they're that a little bit more pricey. However, these, apart from the serums, these are all items I would definitely buy just, you know, day to day. Like 9 times out of 10 I'd probably go to Garnier because they're my favourite brand for micellar water. However, you know, try something new. I do have that micellar water at home that I've not tried before, but that was gifted to me by someone who knew, well, also by Elliot actually, another No.7 product that he knew that I wouldn't buy myself because I like to try different things and he knows that. So yeah, I'm glad Elliot signed me up for this box, definitely. And I hope that if you try this box too, you let me know how you got on with it and what you liked and what you didn't like. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you very soon. Bye!